When a blind person decides to cross the road and gives his assistant dog an instruction, there are situations where the assistant dog refuses to listen. The dog uses his own senses and realizes that if he were to follow instructions of this person, who unfortunately is disadvantaged because of his blindness, he may cause harm. He intelligently disobeys. He depends on his senses and decides that he is not going to follow instructions for the welfare of his owner. Welcome. Welcome to today's episode of What Is. What is intelligent disobedience? The dog unconditions himself because he trusts his judgment to be able to sense and sniff something that may get his owner into trouble. I wish humans were as intelligent as the assistant's dog. Why? Because many a times we just conform. We agree because authority tells us that we must do something in a particular way. We give in to these so-called experts who tell us how and when we should, for example, invest our money. In fact, it happened to me a few days ago. My financial advisor looked at my portfolio and told me that I was slightly underweight equities. He told me that I should put some more money in the equity aspect of my portfolio. I politely disagreed and intelligently disobeyed. Why? Because I found that it was first my money and I had enough knowledge for me to take, hopefully, a well thought out call. Why is it that people find it hard to disobey? Two reasons according to me. One, some of them self-doubt. They don't trust themselves enough to have the intelligence or the acumen to take certain decisions. Sure, not everyone may be well read and may not be exposed to certain decisions suggested by the experts. But I do believe if we invest a little time and effort, we won't be that misinformed, and then our decision will be based more on how much we know than on how much we are guided. Two, many of us worry about what people will think of us when we disobey. Luckily for the assistant's dog, he did not have that cognitive capacity to worry about how he would be judged or how he would be perceived. He simply did what was best for his owner, which is protect him and save the owner from any harm. Likewise, if you and I realize that we should care a little less about what people think of us and instead focus on what would lead us to success and self-protection, maybe we will be all the better for it. So, let's go out and learn how to be intelligently disobedient. If you like what you hear, do hit the like button, do share my video, and of course continue to write to me at varkha@varkhachulani.com. Till next week, it's goodbye and thank you.